Beefy explained, more than just a steak. Hello, dear language learners. Today, we're diving deep into a juicy topic, the word beefy. This term is flavorful in both its literal and figurative senses. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use beefy like a native speaker. Let's sink our teeth into it. When we first hear the word beefy, we might think of something related to beef, the meat. And you're not wrong. In its most literal sense, beefy describes something or someone as resembling beef or having the qualities of beef. For example, a beefy steak refers to a large and meaty piece of beef. A beefy flavor indicates a strong taste reminiscent of beef. Here's where things get interesting. Beyond its culinary use, beefy has a figurative meaning. When describing a person, it can refer to someone who is muscular or robust. Example, the new gym trainer is quite beefy. Strong or powerful in a non-physical context. Example, that's a beefy computer you've got there. It's a playful term and is not usually used in formal settings. When deciding whether to use beefy in conversation, 1. Consider your context. While it's okay to comment on a beefy steak or a beefy computer, avoid making unsolicited comments about someone's physique, as it could be perceived as rude or inappropriate. 2. Remember its informal nature. Avoid using beefy in formal essays or serious business meetings. 3. Relate it to strength or robustness. Whether you're talking about food, objects, or people, ensure the context has a sense of strength or fullness. Well, there you have it. The term beefy is more versatile than you might have thought, and it adds a savory touch to your English vocabulary. We hope this video has expanded your language palette. Happy learning, and until next time, keep those words sizzling.